So I'm gonna start my restoration today. Here's how it looks. It's 91, maybe a chance of rain. What I'm gonna do is put this down. It's got a formula where you can seed through it and it still kills weeds. And then yesterday or the day before I hit it with some of this. This isn't Weed Be Gone, that's this. I mix it in there half strength. And then, so today I'm gonna fertilize, which is the wrong thing to do in 91-degree heat, but that's why I'm doing it. Assisted suicide. And then I'm gonna take the mower, one notch from the bottom, and scalp it down, let it roast with fertilizer. Anyway, I'm actually promoting weed growth, so I'll sprinkle it a little bit. We're supposed to get some rain tonight, so that'll help. But that way, next month, I can just have this thing looking like the moon. Here's my tripod I've been using. I'm gonna get you dangling and I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse it. How about that? Can I get a sign in the yard for best dead looking yard? I can't believe it still looks all right. I kind of like this amber look. It just means I got less to do. But yeah, now it's gonna start really checking out. And then what I'll do before I seed, like a day or two before I seed, is I'll come out here and weed eat. I'll scalp the whole thing with a weed eater. Just turn the weed eater on its side and just level it out, and just keep doing that. Chop it to the ground, throw my seeds out. Got my brother-in-law to come out here and punch it in the ground. Boy, it's real crispity out there. I think that actually went to sleep, not, that's dormant, I think, out there. That real hot stuff. All this over here is dead. Dead. Either way, it'll be okay. So it's been about a week on this grass thing. Getting real crispity now. Let me show you something here what that tenacity does. Can you tell? Although the sun's, see how it turns the weeds white? I'm promoting weeds and letting them germinate and die. That way I don't have to full whip them. And just a half of that tenacity, Scott's tenacity. Start getting your stuff too, by the way. This is 10,000 square foot. And to get it, I had to minus out that big landscaping bed, so I added in the side of the house around there, just the side, and it's 10,000 square foot exactly. And that's what I recommend. If you can hit a bag rate at a box store, like they sell all their fertilizers in 10,000 square foot or 5 or 7,500, if you can, try to get your yard like that, where you can just buy a bag for 10,000 square feet and fertilize. Anyway, I haven't mowed again since, but I'm not gonna mow. I've got one more click left, and before I do that, I'll come out here. I've got another month. I've got all of August. Time to buy. I need to get some Milorganite or some organic stuff, enough to cover 10,000 square feet or whatever your yard is, and start getting it now, because peat moss will be gone next month, next couple weeks maybe. I got half of what I need. If there's not a whole lot of grass, you can get by with a bundle of peat moss per 1,000 square feet. So this needs 10. I normally get 12 bundles of peat moss and 4 bags of Milorganite. That's 10,000 square feet. And I do a half of the Scott's with tenacity, which I've already done, but I will be doing another app when I seed. And there you go, 2-minute update on the grass.